नमस्कार। मैपिंग योर वे क्लास 5 मैथमेटिक्स के अंतर्गत हम लोग बहुत सारे सवालों का जवाब दे चुके हैं। हम लोग ने न्यू दिल्ली का मैप देखा और उसमें उससे रिलेटेड एक फ़ोटो भी देखा, इंडिया गेट के आसपास का दृश्य देखा और ये 26 जनवरी का जो परेड ग्राउंड है और 26 जनवरी का जो रूट मैप है उसको हमने देखा मैप पे। तो हमने बहुत सारे सवालों का जवाब जो है इससे पहले आप वीडियो में दे चुके हैं, तो और उसे आप अपने नोटबुक में लिख लेंगे। अब विभिन्न मैप, शहरों के मैप के बारे में आपसे पूछा जा रहा है तो उसे आप लिखेंगे और इस जो मैप का फ़ोटो देखेंगे इसमें इंडिया गेट को ढूंढेंगे। हाँ, ये सारे रोड को आप देखेंगे और फिर आप जो है वो नेक्स्ट सवाल का जवाब दीजिएगा। If you are walking on Rajpath, then after India Gate, Children's Park is in the right side. Ashoka Road and Mansingh Road, the angle away from India Gate make the biggest angle between them. Janpath and Rajpath roads cut at right angles. Okay, and the route map of Parade, बेजा चौक, राजपथ, इंडिया गेट, तिलक मार्ग, बहादुर शाह जफर मार्ग, लाल किला. Okay, trace the map 3. Look at the map carefully and find out which of these in the longest road. Subhas Marg. Total route of the parade is about 8 km, and before that Rubia is coming from Jama Masjid to join the parade. So guess about half kilometer she will have to walk. Now trip to Red Fort. When we reached Red Fort, there was a long queue of 40 tickets. The main entrance is called Lahori Gate. After entering it, we turned left into a long corridor with little shop on both sides. This is called Meena Bazaar. I bought some lovely bangles from there for my sister. Meena Bazaar, look here, and Lahori Gate. Nakkar Khana, where drums were beaten to sort of the king's message. You can go straight through Nakkar Khana and reach Diwan Am. This is where the king used to meet the common people. Walking straight from Diwan Am, we saw Rang Mahal. It is a beautiful building. There were 3 more buildings on our left side. Look for these on the map. We walk left from Rang Mahal. Diwan Khas was where the king used to meet his ministers and other important yani khas people. Now this is the picture of Rang Mahal, Aramgah and Diwan Khas from right inside Rang Mahal and inside Diwan Khas. This is the map of Red Fort. Watch clearly. Look at here. Yamuna River, Ring Road, Moti Masjid, Hammam, Aramgah, Rang Mahal, Moti Mahal, Red Fort, Meena Bazaar, Nakkar Khana, and Lahori Gate, Subhas Marg. Here scale is 1 centimeter equal to 100 meter. Find out from map 4 which of these is nearest to river Yamuna. The Diwan Am or the Diwan-e Khas. Yamuna, here corner, north and east corner. So nearest Yamuna is Diwan-e Khas. Okay. Between which two buildings is Aramgah, Rang Mahal and Hammam? Look here carefully. Hammam and Rang Mahal, and Aramgah. Aramgah is between Hammam and Rang Mahal. Okay. Now, which building do you pass while going from Rang Mahal to Hammam? Aramgah. Right answer is Aramgah. Which building on the map is farthest from Meena Bazar? Hammam is the farthest from Meena Bazar. About how far is Lahori Gate from Diwan-e Khas? About 5 to 6 centimeter on map, so it is about 500 to 600 meter on ground. Make it bigger, make it smaller. Here are some pictures drawn on a 1 centimeter square grid. Try making the same picture on a 2 centimeter and also on half centimeter square grid. One picture is already done. Okay. Second and third picture, leaf and car. You have to draw half centimeter square grid and 2 centimeter square grid. The side of the square was made 2 times bigger. Does its area also become 2 times bigger? Yes. Suppose the original length of side of a square is 1 centimeter. Now area of a square is equal to side into side, 1 into 1 square centimeter. That means 1 square centimeter. When the side of a square is made 2 times bigger, then the new length of the side of the square will be 2 centimeter. Area of a square equal to side into side. That means 2 into 2 square centimeter. That means 4 square centimeter. So when the side of the square is made 2 times bigger, then its area becomes 4 times bigger than the original area. अगर हम किसी स्क्वायर के साइड को डबल कर दें तो उसका एरिया 4 टाइम्स हो जाएगा, 4 गुना हो जाएगा. ठीक है, उसी हिसाब से उसी रेशियो में छोटा भी हो सकता है. Now try this. This is a part of the Praed route map 3. Can you see which part of the route map it is? Route map 3. Look carefully and look here inside the red circle. Okay. Now try to make it bigger in this 2 centimeter grid. Remember that the shape of the map should not change. Okay, you have to draw this map on the 2 centimeter square grid. Now if the Praed route map is smaller and the distance between India Gate and Vijay Chowk becomes 2 centimeter, what would be its scale? Here 3 options: 1 centimeter on map, 1 kilometer on ground, half centimeter on map, 1 kilometer on ground, 2 centimeter on map, 1 kilometer on ground. This is the answer of question number 1 and this is the answer of question number 3. Originally the distance between Vijay Chowk and India Gate is 4 centimeter on the map. We are given the scale as 2 centimeters equal to 1 kilometer. Thus, if the distance between two places becomes 2 centimeter, then the scale would be 1 centimeter on map is equal to 1 kilometer on ground. That means the first option is right option. Okay. Thank you. यहाँ तक का काम आप लोग कर लीजिए और मैपिंग योर वे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इससे आगे का काम हम लोग करेंगे. धन्यवाद.